Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of company timeline in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This app enables businesses to visually document and showcase key milestone achievements and historical movements. With an intuitive interface, user can easily add, edit and categorize events, creating a structured timeline for internal tracking or external presentation. This module enhances transparency, engagement, and storytelling, making it an ideal tool for highlighting product launches, partnerships, and business expansions, while offering advanced features for focused analysis. So here we need to go into the website, and here you can see your website homepage. Here you will find the edit button. Click on that, and here is your custom timeline. Here you can see 20 different types of your timeline snippet. You can see up to 20 different timeline snippet. So we will all use it one by one. So first of all, here you can see the style of your first timeline snippet. Here you can see the design and the style of the first snippet. After that, drag and drop your second style snippet. Here you can see the second snippet for your timeline. After that, we need to drag the third timeline snippet, and here you can see the design for the third timeline snippet. After that, we will drag and drop the fourth timeline snippet. Here you can see the design for the timeline snippet number 4. After this, drag and drop the timeline snippet 5. Here you can see the design and the structure of timeline snippet 5. After that, again we will drag and drop the timeline snippet number 6, and here you can see the style and the structure for the 6th timeline snippet. Drag and drop the 7th timeline snippet, and you can see the structure and style for the timeline snippet 7th. Now drag and drop for timeline snippet number 8. Here you can see the design for the timeline snippet number 8. Here you can see the timeline snippet number 7. Here you can see the unique style and structure of number line timeline snippet. Here you can see the timeline snippet number 10. You can see the structure and style of number 10 snippet. Here you can see the 11th number timeline snippet. You can see the structure and all the detailing of number 11th snippet. Now you can see the timeline snippet number 12. Here you can see the structure and design of number 12 snippet. Now drag and drop the timeline snippet number 13, and here you can see the style and all the detailing of timeline snippet number 13. Now drag and drop the 14th one, and here you can see the timeline snippet number 14 with its unique design and structure. After number 14, here you can see the timeline snippet number 15 with its unique design. Here you can see all the detailing in here. After number 15, drag and drop your timeline snippet number 16. Here you can see the unique style of number 16 timeline snippet. You can see the structure and styling. After that, drag and drop number 17th. Here you can see number 17th timeline snippet. After that, drag and drop number timelines 19. And here you can see the structure and style of timeline snippet number 19. After 19th, we will drag and drop the last timeline snippet number 20. Here you can see the style and the structure for your 20th number timeline snippet. You can click on save and save all this snippet timeline in your website page. Here you can see all the design on your website. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.